Delicious puddu, crunchy from outside and juicy and soft from inside. Tasty, served with the chutney, coconut chutney and Szechuan sauce. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Avisan Fair Fatka. Today we came in Bangalore to eat Bangalore famous puddu in Puddu Point. This very famous shop in Anand Rao Circle, Gandhinagar in Bangalore. What they sell? They only sell puddu. It's so popular and famous. So from morning to evening, they are continuously making this puddu, and within a minute, whatever they are making, it is getting finished. They will have lots of parcel orders with them. If you will visit their shop, you will find so many boxes. You can see even that the guy is packing the box. So let us see how they are making this puddu. Whenever you visit their shop, you will get this puddu very hot and you will keep on eating. Believe me, it's really tasty. You can see it is cooked from one side, so he's just turning it now. This batter will have onions, green chili, from inside it will be very soft. So when it is hot, you will enjoy while eating the softness and the crunchiness of this puddu. It's look beautiful. Now it's ready, so let us have it. He will give you coconut chutney, spicy coconut chutney and Szechuan sauce, and you will keep on eating. It's so tasty. So if you are in Bangalore, then do visit this Puddu Point, which is in Anand Rao Circle, Gandhinagar. I hope you like this small video. Press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for future notification. We will meet in our next episode. Until then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.